Hi guys, welcome back. Another update. So I made a short of my high performance engine. I made a version 2. I made a clutch. Works. Wait. Let me get something to hold it. Good. So this is the clutch. I'm gonna do further updates. So watch it. You can share it. You can like the heart. You can use the heart thingy. That's it. So see you in the next vid. Bye.